Hey everyone, I'm going to show you what happens if you use a pressure washer tip on PPF too close to the film. It can cut it, so come take a look at what this looks like. So on this film, a client, they had, where their son was helping them clean this car, and they used, I think, a 15-degree tip, and they got it real close to the film. So a pressure washer with a narrow tip can actually cut concrete in some instances, depending upon the strength of the pressure washer. So it will cut through film. So you have to be careful. We always recommend a 40-degree tip, which gives you the safest tip that's generally available that won't damage your film. We also tell clients to try to stay about 30 to 36 inches from the film. Just in case there's an edge, you can also lift up the edge. But a 40-degree tip, 30 to 36 inches from the film, is always going to be your safest bet. Okay, so before I apply the new PPF, I just wanted to show you, this is where the damage was, and you see the PPF, even though it was completely cut through by the pressure washer, and you know, mistakes happen, that's why we have this, that's why we have PPF. But you notice there's no damage to the paint itself. Okay, so you can see here we've replaced the film, and we're going to be heating and trimming it a little bit some more. But we replaced this for the client with Autobahn Incognito PPF with a lifetime warranty, and you see that area completely undamaged, unnoticeable that there was ever damage there, which is good news. And in the future, because he's got this lifetime warranty from Autobahn, it also has a no-fault warranty. So say, for example, this happens again, you get a one-time use where you get a $250 retail credit for replacing a mistake that was, you know, environmental, or a mistake that you made that you damaged the film. So great news there, and tune in for more videos.